Hello students, I am Sunil Ranjan and I am an English teacher. In this session now, I have come up with a bicycle in good repair. That is the text for CBSE class 7 students. And the text is from the English book Honeycomb. Now first we have Comprehension Check. I'll be giving you the answers. Now, number 1. I got up early. For me, it implies that he was a late riser. That is choice number 2. Number 2. The bicycle goes easily enough in the morning and a little stiffly after lunch. The remark is humorous, sarcastic, and enjoyable. So 3 choices are there. 1, 3 and 4. Number 3. The friend shook the bicycle violently. Find 2 or 3 sentences in the text that express the author's disapproval of it. Number 1. Don't do that, you'll hurt it. Number 2. I did not see why he should shake it. It had not done anything to him. Number 3. I felt much as I should had he started whacking my dog. Number 4. It doesn't if you don't wobble it. Number 5. Don't you trouble about it anymore. You will make yourself tired. Let us put it back and get off. Now, number 4. If not, it would make a serious difference to the machine. What does it refer to? The answer is, it refers to some dozen or so little balls that had come out of the front wheel of the bicycle and rolled all over the path. Now working with the text. Answer the following questions. The first question is, did the front wheel really wobble? What is your opinion? Give a reason for your answer. The answer is yes, the front wheel really wobbled. It wobbled because the man told not to lose any ball that came off the wheel when he unscrewed it. This means he knew something about the machine. Number 2. In what condition did the author find the bicycle when he returned from the tool shed? The answer is, when he returned from the tool shed, the author found the man sitting on the ground with the front wheel between his legs. He was playing it round with his fingers. The remaining part of the bicycle was lying on the path beside him. Number 3. Nothing is easier than taking off the gear case. Comment on or continue this sentence in the light of what actually happens. The answer is, the man did not have much knowledge about the parts of the cycle. Mostly he fiddled with the parts and finally left the cycle unrepaired with its parts off its body. Number 4. What special treatment did the chain receive? Answer. The chain was first tightened hard by the man, but when it failed to move, he loosened it so much that it became looser than it was before. Number 5. The friend has 2 qualities. He knows what he is doing and is absolutely sure it is good. Find the 2 phrases in the text which means the same. Answer. The 2 phrases that mean the same are cheery confidence and inexplicable hopefulness. Number 6. Describe the fight between the man and the machine. Find the relevant sentence in the text and write them. Answer. To refix the gear case, the man first stood the bicycle against the house and then against a tree and worked on it from below and dropped oil upon himself. Then, while working upon it, he lost his balance and slid over his head. He lost his temper while working. One moment he would be on top of the bicycle, the next moment the bicycle would be upon him. When he had it between his legs, its handle turned and hit him hard over his head. He had a cut and he started bleeding. So, this is the answer to this question. Now, working with language. Number 1. Rewrite each of the following sentences using should, ought, must in place of the italicized words. Make other changes wherever necessary. Number 1. You must do your duty irrespective of consequences. Number 2. You should study at least for an hour every day. Number 3. The doctor says she must sleep 8 hours every night. Number 4. You ought to show respect towards elders and affection towards youngsters. Number 5. You must exercise regularly to stay healthy. Number 6. You should take a walk every morning. Number 7. You must not stand on your head. And number 8. As he has a cold, he should go to bed. Now we are moving to number 2. And here it is. Use should, must, ought to appropriately in the following sentences. Number 1. People who live in glass houses should not throw stones. Number 2. You must wipe your feet before coming into the house, especially during the rains. Number 3. You ought to do what the teacher tells you. Number 4. The pupils were told that they should write more neatly. Number 5. Sign in front of a park. You must not walk on the grass. Number 6. You should be ashamed of yourself having made such a remark. Number 7. He left home at 9 o'clock. He must be here any minute. Number 8. Whatever happened to the chocolate cake? How should I know? I have just arrived. So here I come to the end of the text, and I hope you understood the answers and you understood the text also. So if you have subscribed to my channel, my dear students, it's okay. If you haven't, do subscribe, and I'll be with you on the video again in future. Thank you.